This video presents some of the key facts of Python scripting language, and demonstrates how to use the Python command prompt. Guido van Rossum started Python project in 1989, as a hobby to keep him engaged. He attributes choosing the name Python to Monty Python's Flying Circus, a television series. Python is both procedural and object-oriented. Python has simple syntax when compared to other programming languages. Python hides the compilation part from the programmer, and the code can be executed directly using Python interpreter. Python uses new line character to terminate a statement. And it does not use semicolons. Note that C, C++, Java and JavaScript uses semicolons for statement termination. Python relies on indentation to define the scope of loops, functions, and classes. C++, Java and JavaScript uses curly brackets for this purpose. Python code can be run interactively, using Python command prompt. In the interactive session, every expression and statement is evaluated and executed immediately. To start a Python interactive session, type Python 3 in the command prompt. The standard prompt for the interactive mode is == symbol. In this mode, every statement is executed immediately. Let us execute some statements. Print hello. The text hello is printed. A equal to 10. B equal to 20. A plus B. Print A plus B. Type exit to quit this Python prompt. Python is mostly used for task automation, data analysis, and data visualization. It is also used for websites and web applications. However, Python is relatively slow when compared to C, C++, and Java. This is Python timeline. In 1994, the first version was released. In 2000, Python version 2 was released. In 2008, Python 3 was released.